So, if you've been doing Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations and not seen any difference after a week, please don't worry. Just keep going, okay? Because what I've realized after doing his meditations and really being consistent for about 60 days, um, it's an internal shift. It's really shifting who you are from within, how you see the world, how you feel about, people, places, things, circumstances, money, health, happiness, people, relationships, all of those things. You have to shift who you are and how you see these things before you can see any experience in your external world. So I did, start seeing these little manifestations, which, I've shared, and you can watch it in the video where this comment was posted. But I basically just started sharing like little manifestations that I was experiencing throughout the day. And, at first they were kind of like, oh my God, this is crazy. Like, how am I getting free food and like meeting people that I'm thinking about right away? Like, it's almost like I would think about something and then it would happen instantly, right? But when I was thinking about the big manifestations that I wanted to experience, they didn't come as fast or as easily. But by doing his meditations for about 60 days, I realized that, sometimes like I've been on this journey. Like I've been manifesting since I was 17 years old, reading The Secret. And it's like I still can forget, that like this is an internal journey. Like manifesting is an inner game. It's about shifting who you are, shifting your identity, and then seeing the external changes. So if you've been doing his meditations for a week, you're struggling to concentrate, don't feel bad, don't judge yourself, just keep going, do the best that you can, because there are days where I also can't fully concentrate, but I'm creating a habit. Like I'm creating a habit to meditate, or teaching my body and my brain that no matter how distracted I get, I'm going to sit on my meditation chair and I'm just going to go through with it. So there are days where for 20 minutes, I can't even get into it. Like I'm listening to his voice and I don't like the way it sounds and I'm restless. I'm thinking about 2,000 different things, but I still go through with it. I just sit with it because I'm like, I'm creating a habit and I'm just going to do this.